In today's world, protecting your private information is harder than ever. If you're aware of the situation, you might use proper software, change your password regularly, or even use a VPN. However, it will not protect your valuable data from visual hacking, and the only way to do so is to use privacy filters. Privacy filters may be found on ATMs, camera lenses, or in polarized sunglasses and more. The working principle is very simple. Using polarized plastic sheets, the filter greatly reduces the viewing angle, allowing only the person in front of the screen to see it. DME offers a broad spectrum of privacy filters to accommodate any screen size. Not only the filter grants the user a clearly visible view of 60 degrees, it also protects the screen from dust, scratches, and has an anti-reflective coating. The filter comes with installation kit that provides easy and fast application. There are two installation options. You can either use the adhesive strips or the double-sided stickers for higher convenience. Firstly, clean the screen with a lint-free cloth that comes with the kit. Then, prepare the strips by revealing the adhesive side. Apply one tab in the bottom center of the screen and align the strips with the edges. Next, remove the protective plastic from both sides and finally, insert the filter between your screen and the strips. The filters can be specially used in public places, offices, and even in hospitals where your private information is displayed. Why risk your confidential information if simple solutions such as QOLTEC privacy filters can keep you and your data safe?